first viewpoint of the trip so far. I just got to the mouth of Gladetop. I'm gonna have a buddy meet me out here tomorrow at some point. We're gonna do some camping and trail running. It'd be nice to have someone else to talk to on these journeys. Check this out. I got socks and flip-flops on right now, so I'm not going to be traveling too far right now. I'm just going to get to somewhere to camp, maybe cook some dinner. It's about 1 o'clock, but it's cold, it's windy, it's been raining the last 2 or 3 days, so everything's soggy. It could be good or bad for the trail runs. This is a nice little spot though. It's got benches for you to sit at and look at the view. Let's see what this says over here. Your little sign. This is a good all-around area to come for just about any type of vehicle. This main scenic road, you don't need four-wheel drive or anything like that. It's, look at there. Pretty neat. But off to the next one. I'm gonna jaunt off on the first trail I see. The trails are where you got to be careful and you'll need four-wheel drive and whatnot, but we should have some fun. Got to this first little logging road I'm on. We're gonna drive down to the end of it, see if there's a campsite there for the night. If not, I'll just keep going. We'll find a campsite eventually. They're pretty easy to find around here. There's a lot of them. A lot of deer hunters stay out in these woods. But like right there, there's a fire pit right there. Wow, this trail appears to have been washed out over the night. God, this ground is nothing but cedar tops. They took everything. I know it's bumpy, you guys, just hold on there. Phone clamp's about all wore out. Really should probably air down. Some of these rocks are looking sharp. Yeah, I would definitely recommend no fires out in this area. all these dead cedar tops laying everywhere would just burn hot and fast. Unless that's their plan. Like that fire pit right there, I definitely would not use that. Plenty of firewood to cut up if you cleared it all out. It'd be a pretty good campsite if they hadn't topped every tree around here and just left them laying. The trail continues on down that way and back that way. But it's supposed to be having that buddy meet me out here tomorrow, and right here there's no cell phone signal. So I'm going to drive back up to the top, find some signal, get to where he can reach me tomorrow. At least, because I sent him meetup coordinates, but I wanted to go explore, so I kind of left them. Might go back there. It's not designated camping, but I'm in my Jeep. No one will know. This is where you play the game. How rutted do you think it is? And I'll just slowly nose in. If you start to feel your front tires fall, stop or gun it hard. I've found that approach useful a time or two. Found that approach not useful a time or two. Got the meat going for the scatty sauce. Gonna make me a big old pot of scatty. Gonna fill that thing up. There's a sneak peek into my bedroom. It's kind of a mess right now. But found this nice camp area. Ooh, sun's peeking out. Found this nice camp. Got a fire pit right there. No underbrush, not wide open. Way back here on one of these forest roads, so I won't have to worry about any traffic noise, I should say. You get in the habit of doing dishes while the food's still kind of wet in there. Makes cleanup 10 times easier. I just use these sanitizing wipes for all my dishes. It's not even like there's pasta in there. The beauty of stainless steel and sanitizing wipes. point cruising. I didn't realize this had pasta stuck to the bottom of it. Now it's being a bugger to get off there. Show you my utensil set. I got this off Amazon. Comes with the ladle, spatula, pair of tongs. Comes with the shakers. I just added salt and pepper. It comes with scissors, cutting board, knife, wiener stick. I added a can opener. I got some foldable utensils I added. Comes with a paring knife. And it comes with everything you need. Not the best quality of stuff, but you can always update it as it goes. But dinner's done. I think it's time for, I might watch a movie because I'm actually camping where there's signal. I might watch a movie till dark and then read my book till I pass out. Sounds like a good night to me. Probably half of that spaghetti. Not gonna lie to you. But I'll update you if anything interesting happens.